Alright guys, this is card 4 of the Sending Hearts Paper Pumpkin Kit. I have not assembled my sample cards, so I am just going to kind of hold it up here and show you kind of what it's going to look like. I'm going to have to cut this piece down. I think that's why I'm not sure yet. I don't have mine put together how we want to do that. I changed it up after and put the black layer under this white one, and then it's taken off the dimensions of this. So you get it. It's going to look a little bit like this. The last card I did state at the beginning, I added a slide that told you to cut your pink in half, and that's what I'm using on this one because I think I had too many red. So you'll have this packet that you'll use for this card. So let's get started. We are going to put the pink layer on top of the Bermuda Bay. Like so. You cut your pink layer to 5 1/4 by 4. That'll fit right on there. You got this black layer that is like 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. So cut your heart that comes in your kit, cut that down to like 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. And glue that on the front of the black, like so. Is that gonna go on there? Alright, then I've got a heart that I punched out for you guys. And I have the old, an old set that was the, I think it was the one of the Stampin' Up! Statement of the Heart kind of sets or something. I can't remember. Let me see what it is. Hang on. No, it's not the set I was thinking of. This is called Incredible Like You. And it says, I just adore you. So that's what I used to put on the front of my heart. Now you can put whatever. I did not stamp this one for you just in case you wanted a happy anniversary or something like that. So you can glue this down. You can pop it up. Whatever you so choose. This black ribbon is in your kit. And as you can see, I just cut it and then wound it underneath. And then I'm going to just kind of put this heart in the center. And then this is where I wanted to, I think this, my black is a little bit bigger than, oh no, because I cut it down. So that's what I want to do. I cut it down since I cut that one, so we don't need that now. So you just want to lay it down something like that. Maybe we could pop it up. That might be cute to pop it up. So let's see what we get. Pop it all up. Let's see. I'm going to put the dimensionals off on the black and touch the blue in hopes that it's going to adhere those two pieces together so that I don't need any extra like reinforcement. Oops, I already peeled that one off. Okay, like so. Oh, I could probably use I'm not going to put one there. And then you just want to, you can off center it however you want. If you want to center the black square on the center of the card. If you want to askew it somehow, whatever you want. I'm going to put mine like so. So there. That is card 4, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video series of instructions this time, and I will be back again another time. Bye.